Now let me show you the drill adapter. With this little guy, you can power your entire buffing process. This can be helpful in case you don't have anything else to mount your buffing wheels to, or you simply want some portability. Let me show you how it works. Basically remove the nut and one of the washers, and you slip the wheel in the 1/2-inch holes. Now this part is a 1/4-inch shank which fits into any drill or drill press, and this part is 1/2 inch. Put the other washer, so you have one washer on either side. You make sure it's in there tight. You put the nut back on and you gotta tighten the nut securely. I like to use a 3/4-inch wrench and a slotted screwdriver to make sure it's tight. You want to have it tight so it doesn't get loose, but not super tight that it's impossible to remove. There you have it. It's the wheel now is ready to go into the drill. I recommend using an electric drill with a cord, as cordless drills are very underpowered and they don't have the RPMs required for the buffing process. Simply insert into the chuck and tighten the chuck. And there you have it. You can use your drill freehand as you normally do, or you can clamp it down in your vise, but make sure your drill is ultra secure here. You can certainly use a trigger clamp to keep the drill running while you are buffing. You can also mount your buffing wheels on a drill press. It's a super easy and a convenient setup. It's recommended that you set up your drill press belts to a higher RPM if you can. Thank you for watching, and check out the details in the description.